Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosis. Today in this video, let me teach you how to approve the expenses in Odoo 18's expense module. You all know expenses has to be created, then you have different status like submitted, to be submitted and approved. So this approval cannot be done by everyone. Only certain people with certain accesses can approve your request. Suppose if I am creating expense report, not everyone can accept it and approve it, right? So let me teach you how this approval goes on and how it's done. So let's move on to the video and see how it works. So first things first, in Odoo, not just everyone can approve expense reports. You must have the necessary rights, specifically at least theme approval rights for the expenses app. If you're unsure about your user access rights, you can refer to Odoo's access rights documentation. But for this tutorial, we're assuming you have the proper permissions. Okay. So managers or users with approval rights can easily view all the expense report that they have access to. For that, you have to first simply go to the expense report. So, expenses. So this is the expense module and this is, I've logged in as Mark demo. Okay. So if you go to the expenses, you can see under the expense reports, you can see all the reports over here and then you can see the status as well. So if I just open this one, you can see it's been submitted, but I can't find an approve and refuse button over here. Okay. So this is a report which we have created right now for Mark demo where the manager is Michelle Edmond. Okay. So if you want, we can create a new one as well. You go to my expenses and you're going to create two new expense. So I'll just give it as field work. Okay. And I'm giving the thing as, I'm giving an amount over there. Okay. And one more I'm creating. Let it be client visit. And here I'm giving the amount as well and saving it. So right now I have two expenses which are to report. Okay. Now I'm going back to expenses and simply clicking on create report, which will take the ones which are in the status to report. Okay. So here we have the manager giving option, right? There I'm giving the manager as Michelle Edmond and submitting it to the manager. So this is in submitted state right now. And here you don't see any of these approve and refuse buttons. Okay. Now let's simply log out as Mark demo and log in as Michelle Edmond. Okay, so here I'm logging in as Michelle Edmond. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to the expenses module, and in the expenses you have the expense report section which will take you to all reports. So here you can see the one which we created right now. So I forgot to change the name, but it's okay. So this is the one which we've submitted right now. You can see the approve and refuse button over here. Okay. So, here you will see a list of all expenses here, okay, in various statuses such as to submit, submitted, done, posted and all, okay. But before we jump into approving, there are a couple of crucial points to remember. Only reports with a submitted status can be approved. You can see the submitted ones, okay. Only those ones can be approved. Like if you just open this to submit ones, let's click somewhere else. Okay. So here and all you can see the button is itself says submit to manager. Okay. So I'm going back. So to make this easier, what you can do is you can simply select only the submitted button over here, which will show you only the submitted expense reports. Okay. So it's easier for the manager to actually approve it. Okay. So these are the expense reports which are to be approved. Now, also, if a report cannot be approved for any reason, the approved report button simply won't appear, which is a helpful visual cue. Okay. Now, let's start with approving individual reports from the all reports dashboard. Okay. Simply click on an individual report to open its detailed form. This is a report. And then you can see the approve and the refuse. And also you have the option which is reset to draft. So click on the approve button simply to approve it. So you can see it's been approved. Okay. Now, if you go back to the all reports dashboard, you can, select multiple reports using the checkbox. So before moving on to that, let's go back to Mark Demo and see what the status is. Okay, here I've approved it. Now let's log in as demo and let's open the expense module. This is the expense module. Now, if you go to the expense reports over there, you can see the reports which have been submitted and all. So I'll only put the approved ones. So this is the one which we have approved right now, the client visit and field work one. Okay, you can see it's been approved. Next, you can put it back to draft, or you can post the journal entries and report it in next payslip. So that's how it looks like in two different perspectives. That's the only point I'm proving over here. Let's go back and log in as Michelle Admin again. Can continue the things which we've been doing there. So here we've logged in as Michelle Admin again, who's the administrator. So now let's go back to the expense module and continue. Okay. So now for handling multiple reports at once, Odoo allows for bulk approval. Okay. From the all reports dashboard. So here you have the all reports. Okay. From this dashboard, you have to choose only the ones which have been submitted. Okay. So this has been submitted. Now, like what you have to do is you can tick the checkbox next to each one. So I'm just ticking all of these to approve all at once. Okay. Or to select all reports in the list, you can check the checkbox next to this employee column title. Okay. And once your selections are made, click the approve report button that appears. So I'm clicking on approve report. So what you can see is you can see all the things. I'm just canceling this. I'll just select 2 and click on approve. Okay, so from here you can actually either refuse it or approve it. Okay, so here's a quick tip for team managers. You can easily view all the expense report for just your team members while on the all reports page. So you have to, I'll show that also. You have to click on the down arrow. Okay, and from this arrow you can actually select my team. So the ones for your team will be there. Right now we don't have any to show. Okay, and this will show you all those things. So sometimes an expense report might need to be refused. So before that, let me show you. Let's go back and let me show you the approval. See, I'm clicking on approve report and clicking on approving. See, that has been approved right now. So that's how you can choose multiple and click on the approval. Next thing is to see how it's getting refused. Okay, so sometimes an expense report might need to be refused. This can only be done on the individual expense report form, not from the all reports dashboard. So open the specific report you wish to refuse. So I am wishing to refuse this. Okay, and then you have to highlight the chatter section over here. So if you just take a look at the chatter section, you can see the things like mark as done, edit and cancel. So if you need more information like a missing receipt, it's best practice to communicate this using the integrated communication tool, which is known as the chatter. Okay, then you have to click on send. Whatever you do it over here, you have to log it and send it. So refusing is like click on refuse. So you can't simply refuse it like that. What you have to do, you have to like to officially refuse the report, you have to click on the refuse and enter a brief explanation for the refusal under the reason to refuse expense field, and then you have to click refuse. So I'm just giving it as expired or something and refusing. Okay, so we didn't configure the sender's mail. That's the reason why it shows like that. So refusal is very simple. You have to specify the reason and then simply click on refuse. Okay. If you click, if you don't give anything over here and then click on refuse, you won't get it. So I'm going back to all reports and I'll try doing it here. Expired and click on refuse. Okay, so the mail configuration is not done right now. That's the reason why it shows over here. So once you click on the refuse once, it will go back to the refused state. Okay. And there you have it. Approving or refusing expense report in Odoo 18 is straightforward once you know the steps, and this ensures your team's expenses are managed efficiently and accurately. So that's how you can easily approve your expense report. I hope that was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.